So not every chiropractic adjustment needs to be this big crack or a pop. In fact, some of the most effective techniques are gentle, they're precise, and they're really quiet. I am Dr. Brian from Cactus Chiropractic Lifestyle Centre in beautiful Springwood. And today I want to quickly show you how gentle, non-cracking techniques like the Activator Method work and why a lot of people prefer them. The Activator Method is a small handheld instrument chiropractors use to deliver very fast, controlled, and specific impulses to a very specific joint. Because it's so quick and precise, the surrounding muscles don't have a chance to tense up, which means less force is needed to move those joints. This gentle approach can be especially helpful for children, older adults, or for anyone who just feels nervous about the traditional manual adjusting techniques. The goal is the same though, between the traditional and the activator methods. It's to reduce tension and to help your body function at its best, just with a quieter and a softer touch. So whether you like the traditional style or prefer something a little gentler, chiropractic has options that can be tailored to just about anyone. So if you've ever wondered about non-cracking techniques, ask me about the activator technique next time you're in. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Brian. I hope you like this, and if you have any problems or questions, send us an email or message us below. Thank you.